In his address to the media, the leader of opposition condemned excess power against National Unity Platform by the security forces following a raid yesterday at the party headquarters in Makerere-Kavule. He said that even with these threats, the delegates' conference still happened and applauded the bravery of the party leaders and supporters.
We saw what happened in the Kawempe North by-election. Candidate was beaten up, arrested, several of our leaders, several mobilizers, the media, journalists were beaten up and so on. And to date, nobody has been held responsible. So we passed a resolution condemning that, and also the continuous raids on our party offices. Many times when we want to hold, whether it be press conferences or that kind of thing, they are thwarted, and yet we are a registered political party. But we cannot be able to operate freely. Whenever we want to hold activities across the country, the military and police get to disrupt us. Yesterday we saw police and the military. This time they did not just come to raid, to arrest people and to cordon off the place, but they shot their way into our party offices, shot through walls, shot in the air. Some people were injured. And today we don't understand why they did that.
He confirmed that several positions were uncontested for, but majority were contested for by different leaders in the party.
It became clear that some positions remain unopposed, even though it was open for whoever wished to apply to put in and express their interest. A couple of them remained unopposed, but there were a couple of others that had a number of our leaders expressing interest, which is a good thing, because for us as NUP, we don't believe in ring fencing any position for anybody. So whoever gets to be interested in the position is free to apply, and that's what happened. And of course, we did have time to do some harmonization. We encouraged people who were vying for similar positions to have time off, connect, and see if they could agree to front one person.
Leader of opposition further informed the general public that official rallies of the results will be done through a press release and wait to see who has been elected and in which position. He noted that party is very ready for 2026 and the new leaders are prepared to do what they are supposed to do.
We shall be releasing a press statement with the details of who has gone through for the different positions, because as I speak to you currently, voting is still ongoing. So we thought it prudent not to make you wait for a lot longer. That's why we deemed it fit to engage you, give you that update, and then later in the evening we'll release a press statement which you will get a copy of, indicating who is where. So we are glad that as the National Unity Platform we are getting into the next election cycle with new leadership in a couple of positions. In some cases, leadership has been renewed, mandates have been renewed, and so we are headed into 2026 with zest, with gusto, with energy, and we are ready to do what we ought to do to thrive in the upcoming election.
He urged the supporters and different party leaders to remain calm and promised not to take the attack by the military at the party headquarters yesterday lightly.
We are reaching out to the Electoral Commission in protest of this, saying this is not fair, this is not right. Hopefully you can clean it up, and hopefully you can extend a bit of time so that our candidates don't get disenfranchised. Because for them to go where they are meant to be nominated from and they are sent away, it does not make sense at all. Our hope is that the Electoral Commission will not keep quiet, like they have kept quiet many times. They kept quiet about the Kawempe brutality, and yet they keep saying they are in charge. How do you say you are in charge, and yet somebody literally comes and roughshods over you, takes over the process and does what they want to do, and you keep quiet? Our hope is that they will not keep quiet.